always thought that it was only at Jamaican parties you will see certain things, but I am now realizing it's a Caribbean thing. Well, the song did say pick up something and run with it. The dog was the closest thing. Oh my God. So him get pick up. You can see the look of confusion on the dog's face. Father God, you see them crosses, you know. A two little scraps, me come down here to eat up half my ground and this a go on, you know. And a big waste of time too, you know. I better me the turn of me yard. Cause a vegetable soup, the man them cook down here, no meat. And if me bite one of them, you know, you hear say I'm wrong. Put me down! Hey, seeing that the boss take the song so literal, we must give thanks saying never said take up a gun and shoot, because the party would have done this.
Raw born.
Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is K2KShorts. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.